that you're watching. Let's kick off the bulletin this afternoon. The Linda Mwananchi splinter group of ODM is currently in Nakuru, led by ODM Secretary General Edwin Sifuna. The group is expected to hold a rally in the coming few minutes. Let's just cross over and see what's happening at this moment.
Tunafanya leo hapa Nakuru. Now, I want to pray with you that God, when God's time is right, there's no question of one term or two term. Saa ya Mungu kifika unaenda siku hiyo. When Jesus came to save the world, he was here only for 3 years. So me, I'm asking Kenyans, the hour has come. The hour has come and the hour is now. Kwa Kasongo tunasema one term. Nasema one term. Nasema one term. Lakini kwa Mwenyezi Mungu, naomba hiyo one term amalize in 2026. Wakati wamekubali Kasongo asiende mpaka 2027. Nasema hivyo kwa sababu 25th of June is coming. Wangapi wanakumbuka 25th of June? Gen Z walipoteza maisha. They lost their life for this country. So sisi kama Linda Mwananchi, on the 24th, 25th and 26th of June, I'm asking you from Nakuru, let us make this country ungovernable from 24th, 25th, 26th. And that has happened before. Nina hakika ya kwamba the next government in this country will be formed by Linda Mwananchi. Wakati wamekubali Linda Mwananchi naanza kuongoza. Na hata Kasongo aseme nini, sisi tunaendelea mbele mpaka mwisho. We don't fear any prison. We don't fear death. We don't fear anything but fear itself. So ukiwa na viongozi kama Babu Owino, na una viongozi kama Caleb Amisi, na una viongozi kama Ososi, na una viongozi kama Sifuna, there is no war we cannot win. And this war we are going to win it now. Tuko Kisumu on the 26th.
Well, that's the Siaya Governor James Orengo, who is speaking at a Linda Mwananchi rally currently ongoing in Nakuru County. Of course, we'll bring you more details as we get them from the rally. And right now, we just want to cross over to where President William Ruto is attending a Sunday service, which is at the Karen Africa Gospel Church, AGC.